Let's decorate wedding ceremony. The ceremony is consists of arch, aisle, and floral fused flowers. Here, as you can see me here, we are putting together the arch because our arch can be dismantled in four pieces for transportation purposes. Our arch is very user-friendly to assemble. So once the arch is assembled, now it's time for me to touch up the flower arrangement to make sure it is in the proper place, because when you transport the arch, sometimes flowers are falling off. So you just make sure that you put it back in a proper place of the arrangement. So everything in the arch, you make sure that you have to check the gaps of the flower. If something doesn't look right, then you have to touch up the arrangement just to make sure that the arrangement, the flower arch, is perfectly done. Here we do move the arch a little bit to make sure it's centered on the aisle, the arch. Here we're placing the carpet aisle, and our carpet aisle is 25 feet long. We make sure the carpet aisle is straight, not crooked. Laying out the carpet aisle, you make sure that the carpet is centered in between the arch, where underneath, you know how the opening of the arch, make sure that the carpet aisle is centered on that opening of the arch. Here the chair sash and flowers is done. Mostly I did already. I'm showing you only one last part. Here, after I tie the sash, so I attach the flower and I secure it with zip tie, one zip tie to tie along the sash, the flower. So we're done.
About 5 we're done. I think a purse over there, right? With that thing.
If you guys are still watching up to this point, I would love to know, how do you like our decor? Comment it below and let me know what city are you watching from. Glad to hear you soon. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell notification so that you will be notified once we uploaded a new video. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. See you on my next video. Bye for now.